Hi guys, Crad here. In this video I'm going to talk to you about an Aether Apparel synthetic insulation layer. This layer is called the Boundary. It is 60 grams of Primaloft One for the insulation. It has a lightweight Japanese nylon shell. The side panels here have Polartec wind block. So on the side and on the bottom of the arms here all the way up to the sleeves is Polartec wind block. It has zippered hand warmer pockets, and it has an interior pocket right here that has a pass-through if you want to put an electronic device in here and then route headphone cables through the jacket. Features Aether's lifetime guarantee. So this jacket, I like it quite a bit. It is very similar in design and construction to the Arc'teryx Atom LT. To me, the materials used are just a little bit better. The Japanese nylon shell feels very nice. It feels a bit more substantial, and it uses Primaloft One, which from what I can determine online, 60 grams of Primaloft One versus the 60 grams of Coreloft that are in the Arc'teryx LT. Should be about, the Coreloft should be about 5% less warm than Primaloft One. So very negligible, barely noticeable. I think this jacket weighs a little bit less, the Atom LT, and I think it's a little bit more compressible. Another thing worth noting is the way that the arm is cut. It is slightly less articulated than the Arc'teryx Atom LT, so you'll have a little bit easier range of motion. This isn't a restrictive jacket at all, so it's not really a problem, but when you do move your arms in certain ways, you do sort of feel the jacket being pulled out a little bit. And it's just a straight kind of line here where the material is cut. Let me show you on this jacket. So this jacket here has a lot more material, and it's sort of rounded out at the armpit. So it's very unrestricted on the Arc'teryx. So I would definitely give the Aether Apparel Boundary one up in terms of materials. The materials are really great on this jacket. Aether rates this to the plus 40 degrees Fahrenheit range. So down to about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, this should do a good deal to keep you warm. And with the Polartec wind block panels, it'll allow some of your heat to escape so you don't overheat if you're doing something active. This jacket's made in the Philippines, wind and water resistant, so it probably has a DWR coating, and like I said, it has 3 pockets. Thanks for watching. So I just wanted to take a quick moment here to sort of explain what I was talking about with range of motion on some of the jackets that I own. So this top one is the Arc'teryx Atom LT. You can see the normal cut, the normal bias for the sleeve is much higher than it is for any of the jackets below it. So that really allows a great range of motion. The next one is the Aether Boundary jacket, and sort of the normal bias of the sleeve is a good bit lower, and it's a much more straight sort of cut here as compared to the Atom LT. This one is the Aether Highline, and it's compared to the Aether Alto. So the normal bias cut of this sleeve is more straight out, whereas this Alto is almost in a down position. which really restricts range of motion.